Are you tired of the usual struggles when transplanting leggy tomato seedlings? Stick around because today I'll share an easy technique that will make this process a breeze. First, dig trenches in the soil that are deep enough to accommodate the roots and stems of your leggy seedlings, around 4 inches deep. Lay the seedlings in the trenches sideways, like this, and make sure to space them adequately. Let's put them on the trellis to support them, because these leggy seedlings are very weak. Remove the lower leaves that touch the soil. This is to prevent fungal diseases. Cover the root ball and stem with soil, up to the lowest branch. Gently pat it down to secure the seedlings in place. Here are a few suckers that we didn't remove, and we hope that they will grow into new plants. We're planting one seedling upright because it's not leggy enough to need to trench it. Oops, we accidentally digged the root ball of one of the seedlings. I recommend you put a marker where the root ball is to prevent yourself from digging into it. After transplanting, remember to water the seedlings thoroughly to help them adjust to their new environment. I normally water the new transplants with fish emulsion and Epsom salt. We also tried to bury some of the seedlings deeper to see if it makes any difference. Want to give the trenching method a try in your own garden? Let us know how it goes in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!